This video is about getting rid of the new adware type program attacking Mac computers. This application is called UrbanClassic. UrbanClassic is the adware that attacks Google Chrome, and it may also affect Safari and other browsers in Mac computers. This adware, once installed, starts displaying the tremendous portion of intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you actually visit. So if this UrbanClassic was somehow installed into your Mac, check your applications on your Mac, find this UrbanClassic, right-click on it and move it to the trash. I would also recommend you to additionally investigate your Mac computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus by directly going to the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and begin investigating your system. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.